Hello everyone, today I'll be going over how to create a gold image. A gold image is used with Citrix or VDI environments where you wish to set up one master image, the gold image, to replicate out to your end users. New devices cloned from the image register uniquely with Sophos Central, ensuring that no duplicate entries are created. Before you begin, you will need a Core Agent version of 2022.1 or higher, and a Windows operating system. The steps we will cover work for both Sophos Endpoint and Sophos Server Protection. Start by downloading an installer from Sophos Central onto the gold image device. Now run the installer using the following command line: sophossetup.exe --gold image. If you wish for the gold image and any resulting clones to be a member of a specific group so that a specific policy is applied to them, use the -- device group switch. If you have an existing device being used as a gold image, these can still be used, but you'll need to run the following command over top of the installation: -- register only. After installation, the hostname is used to verify whether the system is the gold image. If the gold image is rebooted, this will result in a delay or timeout being added to Sophos' normal startup process, affecting both MCS communication and updating. This timeout is important because of the way Citrix handles gold image devices and replication. The gold image is powered on very briefly as it's being replicated out. If registration with Sophos Central takes place during this time, it can cause unexpected duplication of devices. If you need to adjust the timeout period, you can do so using the switch -- gold image timeout. The default is 120 seconds or 2 minutes. The minimum time you can set is 0 seconds, and the maximum is 900 seconds or 15 minutes. Once the installation completes, perform an update and reboot the gold image to ensure all components are fully installed. Next, we can check the MCS client log to verify the gold image status. The log is found in C, Program Data, Sophos, Management Communications System, Endpoint, Logs. Here we can see service startup, and after some time has elapsed, this indicates that the system recognizes it's a gold image based on the hostname. At this point, the timeout period has elapsed and normal operation resumes. This is important to consider when updating your gold image for deployment of updated software or installation of additional programs. You should wait at least 2 minutes or the timeout period you specified after the gold image has powered on before triggering a Sophos update or before verifying the updated status of components. At this point, we're ready to shut down the gold image and bring it online for replication. When devices cloned from the gold image come online, the hostname will be different from the original that was recorded. This allows the timeout period to be ignored so that an end user may interact with the system normally upon startup. These steps are a far cry from the previous process. Now there is no involvement in deleting files manually or running and troubleshooting a script to perform the gold image steps for you. We hope that these changes help you manage your virtual desktop infrastructure in a much simpler and easier way. Check out the documentation for this video in the video description, and for further assistance, you can view and post questions on community.sophos.com. Check out techvids.sophos.com for more great videos like this one. Thanks for watching.